Yo, it's a new day. It's good with the nation. My here my cuddies right now. It's my boy Jalil. He don't come around, so you know he live in Atlanta. He came up for the weekend. You know who this is?
No, they don't.
That's us, boy.
Yeah, I'm like the only person that watches the videos anyway. Damn. Sure.
That hurt.
Why come for you like that?
That hurt. That really hurt. We on our way to Ratchet Friday, so you know, let's get it. Yeah, we here right now. These two guys just found some dicks. So you know they is holding dicks right now. But how fucking lucky is that? But yeah, let's get it.
That's you, the fart cannon special?
No, that's not me. That never will be me. No.
I feel like civics give kind of like a bad name. I don't like
no.
This period.
Some people of a certain demographic give civics a bad name.
Jamaicans?
Damn, son. Hey, the Civic right here look pretty dope. This shit fucking looks pretty dope. I know I gotta show love.
And he's got that Mustang. He drives his dad's
Takashi. Oh, you want me to take pictures, man?
That's K-Skate. You totally fucked up his name, yo. Son.
My cousin said he gonna do this to us with.
Do it right here.
You gonna do it?
You do it. Do it.
I'm gonna hold you to it. How long? How long is it gonna take?
About a year.
A year?
Yeah, about a year.
Alright, y'all mark this. It's like June 15. June 15, 2019. My cuddy guy had that done to his car. What's the guy name from the Night Kids?
I forgot. That guy's like not important.
Oh shit.
He lost every race he was in. That's how ass he was. I don't know if you caught that. This shit right here.
Dark as hell. Bruh. Like you can't even see inside the car. That shit. Son, that's crazy. I could fucking do that in Texas.
Oh, yeah.
I could literally make my car like this in Texas and it would be legal. Best friend. I miss you, bro. My brother right here. Oh, these joints clean. Oh. Might have to do that. Might have to do that.
I think your car actually looks a little bit better than that. And I'm mad I just admitted that on camera. Oh, obviously. Yo, that's crazy. Oh no, wait. That
Sound like you got moist, bro.
Bruh, you know how I am with cars. Not just this regular ass shit, but I'm talking about, you know.
Not for nothing. Even though my car is more sound, it only has 45.
Hold up, rewind.
It's the cutest thing ever. So
Oh
cute.
boy, how was that?
You do have
Yeah, why the alarm going off with the music? Oh. Hey, that's probably why they let that shit go off. Yo, who parked like this at a meet? Everybody back then. But this guy.
You couldn't stick to the small ass
What
windows.
different? Yeah, I got a question for y'all, right? Quick question. One question. Those right there. Those. Are those wheels or rims? What do y'all call them? I used to call them rims, but this guy made fun of me. So I started calling them wheels.
They are wheels, damn it.
But, I mean, technically, according to Google,
He's right, they are wheels.
they are.
They are wheels.
I caught it. We must go see. I must go. Oh, that's the Volkswagen.
Back to the apple.
So yeah, I'm about to put my headphones in because that NSX about to fucking blow my eardrums out.
Where are they going?
Man, I'm mad as fuck. I can't even see this shit. Too fucking short.
I think that's that SRT4. That's that SRT4.
Look, I'm tired of y'all SRT4 disrespecting me, right? That's SRT4. And there's a C going up next to it, and it don't sound nothing like that. Man, see, if my life was like this every day, I would actually drop a vlog every day. But I gotta split it up into twice a week because literally the weekend is usually popping.
Where we can get waffles from?
Waffles?
Yeah.
I don't know.
They shooting. I made you look. Slid to the page of my mama.
Fucking head ass.
Fucking this in the fucking truck that we about to drop.
Backup camera. You always wanted one, right? I got you.
Angela. Yeah, good. Shut the fuck up.
She pushed him into a bush.
No, then out with me.
Drunk hit in the back of the head.
So I just took the little yee off, right? Yeah, see, off my head. This is what my head look like.
Zimbabwe.
Yeah, let me go get this fucking with these.
That's what I'm trying to do. Hey, yo, bruh.
Yo, I hope y'all like this vlog, man. I had a lot of fun making it. I was super happy to see all my friends together. I don't know, for me, like, just having everybody that I love together is, I don't know, it's freaking amazing. If you're watching this right now, more than likely I'm on a plane right now going to San Antonio. Like I said, I'm gonna be looking for an apartment this week. So this Thursday vlog that's coming up, I don't know. Keep an eye on my Instagram. More than likely I'll put something up there. It's Saturday right now when I'm recording this. I more than likely will be putting out some kind of content for you guys Thursday. I don't know if it's going to be good or not, but I'm going to put out something. That's my goal. Because I'm trying to hold myself to the whole Monday, Thursday thing, at least for right now, before my life gets a bit more interesting and I can start doing something more consistently. But yeah, please, you guys, I'm at 80 subscribers right now. It feels freaking great. You know, I've grown a decent amount since last year. You know I haven't really been putting in a lot of time. That was because of school, but I'm out now. So, you know, share this with your friends, like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel. If you guys have any tips, any ideas as to how I could grow my channel, please leave it in the comments below. I do read those. I do reply to those. It's only 80 of you guys. It's not that hard. And I'll try to keep that up even after it gets past 80. But yeah, please share this with your friends. I am out. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.
Ladies, booty bounce.
Beat it up like that. Let me that. You looking like that. Let me that. So let me that. Let me